Hi family, happy Friday. Thank you all for tuning in. So let's get right into it. Today, let's just consider this video as 2-in-1. Today I'm making my flaxseed oil, and then I will also be using the same flax seeds to make my facial mask. So can we consider this video as 2-in-1? Alright y'all, so let's get into it. I'm using a half cup of the flaxseed and I'm going to blend it and I will add my oil. I am just using one oil today, and that is my grapeseed oil. So like I said, it's time to blend the flaxseed. We're going to blend the flax seeds, and then I'm going to add my oil into the flaxseed. Alright family, so here is our blended flaxseed. Now we're going to put that into a bigger bowl because that's where we're going to be mixing all of our ingredients. But before I add in my next ingredient, let's take some out. I'm going to use this in my oatmeal or my yogurt. This is edible, y'all. This is very nutritional. Your body is going to love this. Flaxseed is very good for your overall health. So now let's add in 1 cup of our grapeseed oil. Okay family, so after you have added your oil, you want to mix this thoroughly, making sure that there is no lumps in your oil. And then we're going to move on to the double boiler method. And if you don't know what that is, here it is. So you're going to get yourself a pot. You're going to put some water in there. Make sure your water comes to a boiling point. That is where you're going to place your bowl. You're going to sit your bowl on top of the boiling water. So this is going to sit here for 10 minutes. It is now 3 o'clock on the dot. After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove this. But make sure to stir this occasionally so that your flaxseed don't just sit at the bottom, okay? Alright y'all, so here's the next step to this process. What you're going to do is grab you a jar or something that has a lid. That is where you're going to be storing your oil for 24 hours or for a day, okay? You're going to sit that there like I did. I sat mine on the countertop for a day. After a day, I used my cloth and my paper towel to sift my oil. I sift my oil twice. I used the cloth first and then I used the paper towel. I did it twice because I don't want anything on my hair or my girl's hair. So after a day, you're gonna sift your oil and then you're gonna have a pure 100% organic flaxseed oil. You can use this on your body, you can use this in your hair. For this, I use it on my face. Okay, you're gonna see that later on in the video. So keep watching. It is 24 hours later, our flaxseed cake to the bottom of the oil. So what you're gonna do is stir it up to loosen it up, and then that way you can be able to sift your oil smoothly. When you are done sifting the oil, please do not throw the flaxseed away. We are going to be using this to make our facial mask. So keep watching to see how I made my facial mask using my flaxseed that I used to make my oil. Alright family, so my flaxseed is going to be sifted for the second time, and that is me using my paper towel. And when I'm done, you will see some residue left in the paper towel. That could have been on our hair. Yo, so it's best to sift twice if you can. And that is exactly what I'm talking about. So now we're going to put our flaxseed oil into the bottle. That is our 100% organic flaxseed oil made right in your home. I like to say that, right in your home, y'all. You know exactly what is getting on your body and what is getting on your hair. So before we move on to making the mask, I'm just going to show you guys how this is so glowing. Like, it glows. Your skin glows, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a very hairy person and I'm not the one to shave my hair off my skin. I don't know. If you are like me, let me know in the comment section. I'm just hoping it is not just only me, but I like to save my hair on my skin. I do shave in some areas, and you guys know, but on my skin, I save my hair on my skin. I love it. So now we're gonna move on to making our facial mask. So that is our leftover flaxseed. Now we're gonna add in some hot water. You just go ahead and eyeball your water. Just make sure it depends on how you want it. Do you want it thick? Because it gets thicker when it sits. You can add more water to make it loose, or you can add less water that is going to make it thick. So after 10 minutes, our flaxseed is going to be strained and we're going to have a jelly consistency. That gel we're going to apply to our face, and oh boy, just keep watching to see how this turns out. Alright family, here are some of the benefits of the flaxseed when it's used on your skin. The flaxseed helps with the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on your face. The fatty acids in flaxseed keep your skin moisturized and smooth. It also controls acne. It improves your skin's complexion. It offers sun protection. So just a small amount of the flaxseed can provide your skin with some major benefits. So family, I'm about to apply my mask on my face, but before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face using this facial toner called Afina. Yo, I had this for the longest. That thing is amazing, yo. It is amazing. And when I say amazing, that facial toner is amazing. I've had that for at least a year and a half. So I've already washed my face. Now let's use the steamer for a few minutes. After using the steamer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mask on my face. It's application time. Alright y'all, so I'm going to apply this on my face and it's going to stay there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to show you all my face before I wash it out, okay? And you're going to see this really tightened my face. It is 10 minutes later and look at my face, guys. Like, I can feel it. It tightened my face, and that is one of the benefits of the flaxseed. It gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Who doesn't want that? Like, who? So now I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and then I'm going to move on to applying the flaxseed oil on my face. And y'all, you're going to see the glow. Keep washing. This is my face after washing the flaxseed gel off. Now, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil on my face. Alright family, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like what you see here, please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye y'all. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. You can use this as often as you like, but look at the glow. See you all in the next one. Bye.